So the National Weather Service has predicted snow from tonight, Wednesday night, into and through tomorrow morning, Thursday. The prediction is for at least 5 inches, and we are expecting more than that, and we have to be prepared for more than that. To be prepared, you need water and food, and in case power goes out, you need to make sure that you have blankets, and medications are real important. Make sure you have whatever you need to last you a few days. Get wherever you need to be before the storm starts. Once you're there, you need to be prepared to be there for a while until VDOT has cleared the streets and it's safe to go back out into the world again. If you want to contact VDOT about plowing of your streets, you can call them at 1-800-4FOR ROADS, R-O-A-D. If you absolutely have to get out, and that I have to emphasize, absolutely have to, then we ask you to do a couple things. First of all, make sure you have plenty of fuel in your car. So that means today, Wednesday, that you're going out, filling your tanks, making sure that you have plenty of fuel in your vehicles. Second is to have a preparedness kit inside of your trunk or inside the vehicle that has water and some food items that you can use in case you're stuck for someplace for a very long time. The county itself is reviewing all their winter policies. They're ensuring that generators have been operated and checked and that their supplies are adequate, and staff is prepared to respond to the event. OEM in particular, we are going to be staffing our Emergency Operations Center beginning Wednesday evening through Thursday.